How to use Slack Canvas feature 2026. To use the Slack Canvas feature, first of all, you have to enable it. Go ahead and launch the Slack application on your device. Open any channel or conversation thread. Once you open it, you simply have to go ahead and tap on the name of the chat thread at the top. Once you tap on this, you'll find the Add Canvas option. Go ahead and tap on this. Once you tap on this option, all you have to do is now go ahead and give your canvas a title, and you can also now tap on this words go here section and type in all sorts of messages. You can create and format the content over here. You can also use the built-in Slack AI formatting tools to draft and rewrite anything within the canvas itself. You can also synthesize the meeting notes. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.